In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the beeper volume or turn the beeper off on the Gorenje WaveActive advanced line washing machines. What you do is turn it on and hold spin and water plus down together for about 3 seconds. It says this right here, which is 1, and that's what you want. You press temperature, and now you have 4 modes to select from. 0, you can select the modes with the dial. You have 0, which is the beeper completely off. You can have volume 1, volume 2, and volume 3. I'm gonna select volume 0. I'm gonna press temperature to save it. And I'm gonna press pre-wash. There we go. And as you can see, it doesn't make any sound now. Let's turn it back off, turn it back on, hold the same buttons, press temperature again, and you can select again the modes. I want to put it to the loudest, which is 3. I'm going to press temperature to save it, press pre-wash, as you can hear, the machine's beeper is back on.